if we want to leave the calculation for using a formula, so what we're going to do is starting from the current dividend multiply 1 plus the growth rate here divided by R, which is 13% minus the G, which is the growth rate in this case, right? In order to apply the formula, we want to fix a few things here. We always will go back to the current dividend. So we're going to fix this one. We will always go back to this requirement return, and we'll leave this B25 moving. That will do the work. If we apply this equation, as you can see, we're going to get the same number as we did using the data table, right? So the second question is a typical non-constant growth model. So for this stock, we're going to get the dividend year 1, $1, year 2 for $2, year 3 for $2.5. And the requirement to return is 10%. After year 3, the dividend will grow at 5%. This is a company that is going to start with a constant growth model after 3 years. So we want to look at the second stage first by looking at the price in year 3, given that it's already a constant growth model, right? Because it's in year 3, so we can generalize our equation D1 over R minus C into, this is a P3, price 3 is equal to a D4 over R minus C. This is what we're going to do. We don't have a dividend in year 4, but we have dividend in year 3 already. So this dividend in year 3, 1 plus the growth rate divided by R, requirement return, minus the growth rate. Close it, when we get price at year 3 is $52.50. And the price today, because this is in year 3, we also have some cash flow here. What we also do is to discount everything using the 10% with the NPV function that we learned before. Rate is 10%. Cash flow will be year 1, year 2, year 3. Well, year 3, in addition to this dividend, we also have the price here. I'm going to add this price back to this equation. So what we have, the stock price is going to be $43.88. If you think about the difference between this non-constant growth model and this constant growth model, all we're doing is we just separate this company into 2 stages. The constant growth stage, starting from year 3 all the way to the forever, and back to the first stage where we have non-constant dividend. Right? Our job is to do the second stage first and go back to the first stage and do the NPV to make the calculation for stock price as of today, right?